Good morning, students. Now let us today continue chapter number 13, that is magnetic effect of electric current. One topic is remaining there, that is included in our course, domestic electric circuit. Now in our home you have seen that we receive the supply of electric power through the main supply. It is also called main supply. This is main supply, that is from electricity board, either supported through overhead electric poles or underground cables. Nowadays underground cables are mostly used, and one of the wires in this supply usually with red insulation cover, and that is called live wire or the positive, and one other that is with the black insulation, that is called neutral wire or negative terminal. In our country, the potential difference between these two terminals is kept 220 volt. Here, the meter board of the house, these wire pass into the electricity meter through the main fuse. This is main fuse that is given by electricity board, and from these two wires are passed to our meter that is kept inside our house, and the main fuse through the main switch, they are connected to the line wires in house. These wires supply electricity to separate the circuits within the house. Often two separate circuits are used. One that is for 15 ampere line, that is for heavy gadgets like fridge, AC, microwave, all these, and motors which are high rating. That is called the higher power rating, such as geyser, air cooler, refrigerator, and other line that is for 5 ampere. 5 ampere, that's like fan, radio, press. All these are rating like bulb and fan. The third one is green color coating, that is called earthing wire, and this earthing wire, which is insulation by green color, is usually connected to metal plate deep near the earth near our house. This is only used for safety measures. Sometimes what happens, when current increases, this current is absorbed by this earthing wire and directly goes deep in the earth, and we are saved from the severe shocks. Okay, so it is for safety measure, especially for those appliances that have metallic body. For example, electric press, toaster, table fan, and refrigerator. Metallic body is connected to earth wire, which provide the low resistance conducting path for current. Thus, it ensures that any leakage of current to the metallic body of appliance keep its potential to that of the earth, and user may not get the severe electric shock. Now you see this systematic diagram of domestic electric circuit. Here each separate circuit, different appliances can be connected across the live and neutral wire. These two are live and neutral wire. Along this earthing is upper side, that is different wire. So along these two positive and negative terminal, these two are connected, and on and off switch, flow of current through it. In order to that each appliance has equal potential difference, they are connected parallel to each other. You know that in our house mostly the parallel connection is given, and electric fuse is also connected within this. Now you know that the fuse is compulsory, it is important for domestic circuits. We have already studied the principle and working of fuse, that is working on heating effect of electric current. Fuses prevent the damage to appliances and overloading due to overloading. You know that what is overloading? Overloading means when we connect so many gadgets in small ampere switch, then it overloads and sometimes it damages our circuit. Overloading can occur when the live wire and neutral wire will come into direct contact. This occurs when insulation of wire is damaged or there is fault in appliance. In such situations, the current in the circuit abruptly increases, and you know that fuse wire is made up of alloy of copper and tin having low melting point. Due to high current, it melts and breaks, then current stops further. So our costly gadgets are saved from the burning. So it is for safety measure. Now what is short circuiting? Short circuiting means when negative and positive terminals they join accidentally, then the sparkling starts and then results into fire. That is called short circuiting. The use of an electric fuse prevents us electric circuit and appliance from possible damage by stopping the flow of unduly high electric current. The joule heating that takes place in fuse melts into break the electric circuit. Overloading can also occur due to an accidental hike in the supply of voltage. Sometimes overloading is caused by connecting too many appliances in a single socket. So we have to avoid this overloading. Do not connect the more plugs in the same board, and low rating. Then time to time this wire should be checked. Now what precaution will you take while using the electricity? First of all, the plugs for 15 ampere and 5 ampere that should be used for separate circuits. Circuits should be always connected parallelly. We have to use plastic or rubber chappals when we are using this electricity, or with wet hands we have not to touch the electric circuits because severe current may occur there. Then with an electrician, with the help of electrician, these circuits should be repaired. Sometimes the damage is made, and so many precaution if you take. Overloading should not be there, short circuiting, then insulation that should be properly checked, and these precaution if you take, then we can save our life.